Right, we've just fitted the new controller. There's the old controller. There's the new controller. Everything is connected up. Just check them all. The new one came with this extension on it, so we've kept it on just in case the cables cross over somewhere or something. We've got these two here that don't seem to have any connection to go into. So everything seems to be connected, but if you look at the display, it's lit up, but there's no key in. And if we put the key in, there's still nothing happening with the display. So could you please advise on what we're doing wrong? I think we may have another dodgy controller. Thanks.